thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is a Target dollar spot haul, and I also want to show you all of the spring stuff that they have. Totally adorable things. I didn't buy a lot of it because I make so many Easter and spring decor pieces, as you can see, that just buying stuff would kind of be pointless. Spring is right around Easter is right around the corner, so buying more stuff would just be pointless, but I am going to show you all of the super cute things they have. So let me get right into what I purchased, and I was really excited that they still had these in stores. They are the little wood planter thingies. These are $5, but I know that some stores do have these on sale already, so usually they're anywhere from 80 to 90% off. But I love them. The quality of this is actually really nice. And I also was able to find the little picks. I really like these picks. These are $3, but again, some stores might have these on sale as well. In the Easter section, they did have a ton of really cute planters and stuff for your garden. And like I said, I didn't purchase a whole lot of, actually, I don't think I purchased anything Easter related because of all the stuff that I'm making. This is one of my favorite finds. It's a 3-pack of carrots for $3. And they also have eggs, but I don't really think this is a good buy, although they're really pretty. Little dress up stuff and things to help with little Easter egg hunts. I thought these were so cute for $1. The wall art was $3 and of course gorgeous. They have really put out some beautiful things this year. And these little ceramic and terracotta bunnies are $3 a piece. They come in different little positions. They are so cute, and I think they would look great in a garden. And if you're putting together Easter lunch, they have these really cute napkin rings, as well as all sorts of home decor, like these $5 pillows, all so cute. So the next thing that I wanted to show you, which was also garden stuff, was this little herb kit, and this looks a lot like the Dollar Tree tubs. They come with a kit to grow basil, parsley, and chives, which are freaking delicious, and I never have in my home, so if I can actually manage to grow this, I will be really happy. Dissolve growing medium pellets, 2.5 cups of water, easy enough. Let's see if my black thumb will actually handle doing all this. I also found these little organic tomato kits. These are $1. I did get a few others, which I cannot find, but I'm really trying to work on my green thumb. So I have a money tree that's actually doing really beautifully, and then I've been buying plants like Plant of Steel and anything that requires low maintenance so that I don't feel so horrible, and I have alarms on my phone to help me keep track of when I'm watering them. I want to nurture things. Another thing that was super duper cute, and I've shown it before, is the little garden gnome. I love how inclusive their garden gnomes are right now. They have my skin tone, darker, lighter, all sorts of garden gnomes, and this guy was on sale when I went back to get footage of the other stuff. So I did purchase it for $5. But he was on sale. So if you are interested in garden gnomes, your stores might have them. More garden goodies, a lot of stuff is going to be garden stuff since it is spring, are these little mini succulent tools, and they're $1 a piece. Super cute. Not only are they useful, but they can be used in crafts because they are the perfect size. For a homemade sign, I think this would be so beautiful. And I was planning on doing a Target DIY, but a lot of the ideas that I have are using some stuff that is already on sale, like those urban garden thingies. So I don't know if I should go ahead and put that out. I feel like a lot of people would probably be like, what's the point? They don't sell that in stores anymore. Let me know below if you want to see a DIY using some of this Target stuff that I've hauled throughout time. Maybe they have it. I don't know. Again, with my black thumb, I decided to make gardening a little bit more fun by buying these little mini plant figurals. And this one is a little truck with a camper, super duper cute, and it's $1. Then they have the Target dog, and this one says, "I will survive," and staying alive, which is so perfect. Because that's how my plants are. They're fighters. They will survive. Damn it. I was super excited that I finally found the Powder & Co sign. These are $3, super duper cute, and I think looks perfect if you have vintage decor. That tub that I made to hold all of my products on my channel, if you haven't seen it, I'll link it below. But I think that in a bathroom with stuff like this and maybe a few vintage pictures would look so cute. So I'm happy that I found it, full price or not. If you have seen this on sale, let me know. Nothing that I can do about it now, but really excited to find it. And then I got these really pretty table runners. If you haven't noticed, I use table runners from Target and stuff like that as a base in a lot of my craft videos. I feel like if you use the same background and bottom piece, it gets a little boring, and staging it in your regular house might just look a little too busy in thumbnails. So I use a lot of these things. Obviously, if I had a table, I would use it as well, but I don't. So also, I think I've seen people turn these into pillows, so that's another great idea. So I got this table runner and these little tea towels, which I think are fantastic for $1. In the clearance section, I was able to find this super duper cute Rooted in Family towel, and it was originally $2.99 and I got it for 88 cents. So this is beautiful. I really, really love that it is black and white, or black and cream, whatever you want to call this. I love when things are pretty neutral. I found the little wooden caddy. This is for sure on sale. I did not get it on sale. My stores, everything goes quick, so I kind of just had to get it when I got it. And I think this would look really beautiful with a ton of little thingies coming out of it, or little milk milk glasses from Dollar Tree if they can fit. So many things you can do with this. I'm really glad that I found this, because one of the crafts that I want to do with the urban garden thing requires some pattern. So I found these file folders. This is $3 and they bring 9. So I'm really happy. If I don't use this for a craft, and these would make great file folders anyway, because I do keep a lot of files. I do everything the old school way. I know I need to get with the times. This picture frame was $3. I absolutely love the wood trim. Obviously, this is not real wood. I'm really curious if I can remove the white from this. Usually when I want to remove any print from wood or faux wood, a little bit of acetone takes it right off. But I'm a little scared to do this on this, because since it is just a thin little sheet of faux wood on top, it might actually ruin it completely. I don't know, maybe I'll get experimental and do it, but I love this. I wanted to use this in a craft as well if I do post that Target video. And I finally purchased the plant holder thing, woven basket. I'm going to use this for a plant, so that's why I called it a plant holder, and I believe this is the bigger one. I originally saw it and I didn't purchase it because I was like, I don't have a plant that's big enough, but I have so many faux plant thingies. I need help. I truly need help. I found the Love Grows Here, and I think this is just such a beautiful saying. You can apply it to so many things, and it's just so cute. Anything wood. If you've been on my channel long enough, I love wood looking things, and I absolutely love this. Super cute, nice color, and I feel like this color works with a lot of decor pieces. Even though it doesn't match directly, it blends in so nicely. Then I finally purchased the Pegboard, and I think the Pegboard really called my attention. Not so much for decor, but more like to-do list kind of things. I don't know, I just really, really like pegboards, and for $5, I love the fact that it brings not only the letters, but the little hooks as well if you want to hang stuff on there. So for a little message board, if you have a command center, this would be really great. Or if you didn't want to use it as a message board, if you wanted to put the date and then hang a little basket on there to hang your mail, that would be great as well. So people are aware in your house when the mail has been picked up or not. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but in my head, I'm totally making sense. Hopefully somebody out there understands me. And then the last thing that I purchased were these little paper rolls. This one is Chalkboard. This is $3, and this one is craft paper. This is great for a kid's table or just a regular table. Every time I've gone to like barbecue places, they always use these as placemats, and it's wonderful, especially if you take a kid, you give them a crayon, you do your thing. But I think this would look so good if you're having like a game night, or if you're doing Thanksgiving. You can always write like your menu on there. There's so many options, so many things that you can do with this. You can do place settings on here. This is just wonderful. Or you can use this to cover up a small gift and use chalk to fill it in. So many things that you can do. Oh, and I almost forgot. Doggy bone thing that says BFF was $1, and this is to put a picture of your puppy, which I think is really, really cute, especially for $1. I love my doggies. I rarely show Gigi because she's a little harder to deal with than Nugget on camera. But I love my doggies so much. They are my besties, especially Gigi. I've had Gigi for so many years. And if you guys have been on my channel long enough, like I mentioned not too long ago that a lot of things were going on. Gigi was actually really, really sick, and she was in the hospital for a week. So it was so hard to upload and do voiceovers and sound really happy knowing that my dog was possibly not gonna make it. So yeah, thankfully she's okay now. We're still monitoring her, but when I saw these little doggy things, I just had to purchase it and put a cute little picture of Gigi and Nugget on here because they are my family. They really are. And yeah. So that's it for me. I really hope that you enjoyed this haul. I'm sorry that I didn't purchase a ton of their newer stuff, but I don't need it. I thought that just showing you guys would be enough. So let me know in the comments what you'll be on the lookout for, and I will see you on the next one.